Welcome friends to this brief tutorial on how to register with the American Heart Association's Instructor Network website. Before we get started, just a quick note, don't forget to hit that subscribe button there on the bottom right hand corner of your screen. That lets me know that you are finding this information helpful, and it also encourages me to continue putting out resources like this in the future. The Instructor Network can be a little bit difficult to navigate at times. Once you have created your account, it gets pretty messy trying to find your way through it. I'm not going to be able to cover that in this particular tutorial, maybe sometime in the future. But for right now, we're going to take care of step one, giving you a leg up in working your way through that registration process as a new instructor. Go to the website at ahainstructornetwork.org and click on the button that says Register Now. Next, create your instructor account by filling out the registration form. Once you've created your profile, log out of the website, then log back in using your new username and password. Once you've logged back in, click on the button that says Edit My Profile, which is found in the bottom left-hand corner of your dashboard. Click on the Alignment tab. And then, if you're going to align with a particular training center, go ahead and request your alignment. This is going to send an email to the training center's coordinator letting them know that you wish to align with their network. Make sure that you have received their approval prior to doing this. Now in this example, we're going to use St. Charles County Ambulance District as the training center we're seeking alignment with. You'll click on the button that says Look Up, then fill in all of the information there relevant to that particular training center. In this case, it's the United States, in the state of Missouri, the city is St. Peters, and the training center ID number for St. Charles County Ambulance is MO20290. But if you're aligning with a different training center, obviously you are going to need that training center's information, including their TCID number. Now, if you're seeking alignment for multiple disciplines, for example, if you are not only a Heart Saver instructor or BLS instructor, but also an ACLS instructor, you'll need to repeat this process for each of those individual disciplines. Once you submit your request, you'll see the word pending listed on the page. Once you submit your alignment request, the TC coordinator has the discretion of either approving or denying your request. Now, I should stress that training centers are not likely to give you the official approval until after you have completed all additional prerequisites for becoming an instructor with them. For example, you will need to complete the instructor monitoring that is required within 6 months after you complete the instructor course. And the training center may have their own specific policies and procedures and hoops that you have to jump through. So you'll need to work all of that out with them. Once approved, the next time you log into the Instructor Network, you will see underneath that discipline the word Approved written in green. You'll also find your instructor ID number on the dashboard. This number will be needed for various documentation, and it will also be printed on the back of all of your students' certification cards from here on out. If you experience any trouble in completing the registration or the alignment requests, you can always use troubleshooting tips for accessing the Instructor Network. That concludes our brief tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button on my YouTube channel. You'll find additional resources, other videos that may be of interest to you if you work in emergency medical services. If you have any questions or comments or requests for future videos, be sure to use the comments section at the bottom of this page. And as always, you can contact me at david@ddaltonproductions.com. We'll see you next time.